Hi, it's Danny. In line with this week's focus of short videos about the feet and ankles, let's talk a moment about impact. Feel free to join in. So we've got strength, we've got flexibility, we've got balance, we've got awareness, but we've also got impact. Where you jump, you land on your feet, jumping squats, running. These are high impact examples. Sprinting, the faster you go, the more impact there is on the body. Walking is low impact. So I encourage you in your week to do some impact training, and you can practice right now with a little jump or with a squat jump. Focus is on the ankles today. Another choice, of course, is to use a bag. If you have a bag, you can practice impacting underneath the feet with your front kicks. These could be lower, of course. You could have your side kicks for also the underneath of the feet. And of course, you've got your roundhouse kicks for impact on the top of the feet. But find some way in your week to bring in some low impact, but also joint permitting, injury permitting, some place for some high impact with bag work or jogging, maybe even throwing some hill sprints occasionally. Thanks for watching.